How do you feel today?
It's a good event.
Good event. How long your duration?
Duration in the park?
No, you started for this. It's not an event actually. It's what do you call it? It's your day out. Yeah.
I'll give it like out of 10.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10. Okay.
There's a lot of things to learn about education. So,
About what category?
like milk mostly.
Milk is mostly,
Yeah, how milk is produced.
You have to turn, okay.
And how cheese, like
Cheese, okay. It's your favorite.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Then,
So that's almost about everything.
how is your trip like? The schedule?
It's a good schedule.
What time you got up and how did you start the day?
I woke up at about 8:30.
8:30. Okay.
We came from home at about 10:30.
10:30. Okay.
Now we are in the park about. Now we are leaving
what
at
time you
about.
had your breakfast? And what did you have? Yeah.
We had my breakfast at 9:30, I think.
9:30, okay.
We had roti with sini sambar.
Sini sambar?
Chili paste.
Chili paste. Okay.
Chili paste.
Okay.
And bread with jam. That's it.
Okay. So, where is the location? Like, where do you? What about your this one?
The
Where the kaput better? Huh? No patio there. Nah, come again. So come man, like you didn't finish it. Okay, who is this girl?
my cousin Maisha.
What is her name? Maisha? Wait, it's Maisha, wait. They will take a family photo. Yeah.
Then Baba then debatera. Hey Baba then debatera.
Maisha, come.